Hey there, baddies. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine. If you're an old subby, welcome back, babe. Today, I am going to be unstuffing my bills, taking them to the bank to pay off March's bills for the month, as well as replenishing my month ahead fund. I'm going to show you guys kind of how I do that to give you a better view of how it works, because so many people have questions. If that sounds like something that you're into, stay tuned. Money over here. I just finished my other cash stuffing. I was going to film this as a little snippet to add into my next my cash unstuffing. I was going to add this to my next cash stuffing for the first week of March, but I decided to make it its own video because these funds need to be exchanged out first anyway, because these will be going into the month ahead fund, and the month ahead fund will be going to the bank. So what I'm going to do is just pull out some hundreds and 50s so that I can do some exchanges here, okay? So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. All right, so for rent new home, we have $500 in there. We'll come back and pull it out in just a moment. Utilities, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 62, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. So we have 176. So we're going to pull that first 100 out. 20, 40, 60. Let's see. Let's work from the back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So for now, we're gonna exchange it for, I have a 10 back here. This two $2 bills and this $1 bill, we will exchange for a 5. Okay. It's been really cold, so the light bill will probably be a little more next month, so I may be adding more to this fund next month. Storage, I just got noticed that this bill has increased as well, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, $120 in here. So I think it's now like 125, so I'll need to add a little extra to that one. T-Mobile, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, 120 in there. Our internet, remember I rolled this one over from last month. I think I'm gonna still keep rolling it over until I figure out what I'm gonna do. So there's 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 45. So we have 345 in here. I think I'm gonna keep it in here until next month, because I'm either gonna go with this hotspot or I have one other person I'm gonna try to help me with some fiber internet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's exchange that for a 5. 10, 20, 30, 40. 2 20s. So this bill is actually going up a little bit. So what do I have in here? 20, 40, 45, 47, 48. I may go for something more close to like $60 because some of my services did increase. Self-lender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we're gonna go with 30. So 20 and a 10. And we will put this over here. Okay, so we have $36 for self-lender. And this is a credit repair app. It's really helped me build my credit. Car insurance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So grab 100 there. That's all we can do. So in car insurance, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 670, 672. And the car insurance bill is $580. So I'm actually working on the next 6 months bill because this one is due in April. So I'll just keep paying ahead. Yearly subscriptions. Let's see, 10. Changing the 250s for 100. All right, so in yearly subscriptions, we have 100, 200, 220, 230. This one won't come out either. Bank of America fees. I'm not sure if they're going to keep charging me these or not. So this fund may go away as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 10, 20. So lots of 5s and 1s. Changing the 2 5s for a 10. So we have $32 in here, and it's like $30.99 or something per month. But my account is over their minimum threshold now, so I don't know if they do it in like quarters or if it'll start next month, but I'll keep y'all updated. Let's see if I can exchange anything out of here. This is way too full, but I like to keep this in cash. Take 2 10s for a 20. 2 50s for 100. 50 and a 10. Okay, that's really all I can do right now. I may need to get a zippered envelope for taxes instead of this pretty one from my girl Princess, because it's only February and I don't want to put 1K slips. I prefer to keep this cash or in the bank, and I don't want to deposit it in the bank until it's at least $5,000. So my $100 savings challenge kind of is what it is. Okay, so let's pull out. So let me put this up. We're done with the cash exchange money. So now we're gonna pull the money that's going to be going into my month ahead fund. We'll put the 5s and 1s over here on the side. So yeah, all this is going to pay these actual bills. So this is kind of how internet is gonna stay. Typically this should probably come out as well, but I'm in a weird internet predicament right now, so I have enough in my buffer to cover it and enough in the month ahead, and this just keeps me on track for when they come. I can just pay. So streaming subscriptions, okay, self-lender, car insurance, that one stays until April. Yearly stubs will stay. Bank of America fees. Let's see, is that everybody? Yep, okay. So let's see what we have here. I'm probably super short because of that. internet. Let's hope I'm not, though. All right. So 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800. 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900. 9, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1000. 1010, 20, 25, 1025, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1032. Nope, I'm good. So we have $1,032 that we will be combining with our month ahead fund. And then once I look at, because I think I may have a credit on my T-Mobile bill because they overcharged me for my phone buyout. So I'm not sure if I need the whole shebang. Once I figure that out in the morning, I'm gonna pull this, take it to the bank, and leave it in there so that all my bills can auto draft out. That way I'm still getting those, because I get savings for some of my bills. Like you save like $5 or $6 a month to get auto drafted. So I'm still able to cash stuff and take advantage of those promotions. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1950, 1970, 1990. Let me do it like this. 2000. 20, 40, 60, 80, 2100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm well over. Okay. So yeah, this will catch me up from my mess up last month. So yeah, in the morning, I will pull out, at the max, it'll be $1,250. At the minimum, it will be like $1,070 something for March's bills, and so I will go and pay those, and then we will keep contributing to the month ahead, and we will start over in our bill envelope, if that makes sense. I hope so. I hope this was able to be helpful to somebody. If you are starting a month ahead fund, leave me a comment below and let me know what your goal is for that fund. Y'all have a really good day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Something to buy, da ba da ba, yeah. Da ba da ba ba ba, da ba ba, yeah. Set the potato, da ba da. Boy, yeah, da ya, boy, yeah. Sunlight that always